You're in favor of opting out of the Medicaid expansion.
I'm in favor of simply saying no, as those other governors I recited are saying no. And by the way, as the governor of Missouri may be saying, has he been heard to stand up and say, yes, we should go for this Obamacare Medicaid expansion? The answer is no. He's mostly hiding, but he has not been heard to say, yes, we should.
To play devil's advocate for a second, if you don't expand Medicaid and people who don't make enough to buy insurance plans either on the market or on the exchange, don't have Medicaid, and they could get fined under this, what are you going to do with those people if you don't expand Medicaid?
We're going to repeal Obamacare after the November election, and we're going to eliminate that tax, what Chief Justice Robert, in his opinion, called a tax. We're going to eliminate it and solve that. Now, I didn't come here to have a seminar on conservative free market approaches to healthcare reform, but there is an array of proposals championed by Paul Ryan and others who have put on the table solutions that put folks in the driver's seats on their own health care, the consumers. They are health savings accounts, which are crimped and cramped and squeezed and strangled in the cradle in Obamacare. There is tort reform at the national level, like we enacted in Missouri over Democratic opposition 7 years ago. There is the idea of allowing small business and medium-sized business to pool together and get the health care insurance purchasing power that the big guys get. Jim Talent's bill when he was in the United States Senate. There is the idea of allowing the purchase of health care across state lines, the way we can buy auto insurance, life insurance, and homeowners. There is no reason why we can't buy a health insurance policy from Texas or New Mexico or Florida, except federal law doesn't permit it. If you did have that kind of competition, you'd see prices fall and more people covered. There is an array of those choices that we should be moving toward, championed by Paul Ryan and others in Congress. Thank you for coming.